What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm going to head on over to DHP Customs. I'm going to go and check them out, see if I can get a quote for some of the damage on the front bumper and fender. So if y'all haven't been following me for a minute, I have some fender damage on the front driver's side, passenger side. That happened a little over 3 years ago. When I had my Nietzsche wheels set up. Basically, when I was coming from a new tire shop that I went to get some fresh tires, it debeaded on the highway when I was on the way to Nissan to get an oil change. And when it did that, it messed up the fender a little bit, and I haven't had it fixed since then. But it hasn't really been an issue. But now, since I'm with the wider 20x10 wheels, when I turn, it's kind of touching. It's clear on the driver's side, but on the passenger side is where we have an issue. So I'm gonna have them go take a look at it, see if I can get a quote for that. And while they're at it, I'm gonna see if I can get the front bumper fixed as well, because I have some paint chipping on the front as well as the clips on the bottom messed up. So I'll show that in just a moment. Weather is not the best. Car was filled with pollen, but now we're raining. Alright, so let's see what we can see here. Alright, so that's the chipping part, and it's kind of spidering over here as well. So that's going to need to be repainted, but this is another issue with the bumper. So this is drooping down because all of those are broken. So I'm going to have them do that, and this is the fender I was talking about. Kind of in some, not as easy to see. Now over here it's not in. I mean, it's coming out, and so the wheel can kind of tuck up under there with no problem, but not on this side. It can't really tuck in, but also starting to hit here and break the paint as well as back here. So let's go ahead and head on over to DHP and see what they talking about. Alright, so we got here, got the quote already. Gonna be just painting from there, here, and here, and fixing that other fender. Of course, you know who showed up. Alright, so yeah, just stopped at AutoZone, going to get a spring compressor. Working on getting a few pieces off the, I believe it's the coilover setup, or the stock spring setup. Just a small little project. But yeah, we're probably just going to be doing some small things here and there. Not sure what else. I'm going to try to price out how much it'll be to get a new bumper compared to getting this repainted and everything, because we got those parts that are messed up, but also got all of these clips that are messed up down there. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a lot better just to get that new bumper, but probably won't have it mounted and everything till we get the fender situation taken care of. Gonna be so long for the because sticker. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think will be the best option. Because I'm probably not gonna be doing anything right away. But as you can see, that really, with it being in so much right there, is really going down on the tire. Also, think about changing the color of this already. It's not that I don't like it, it's just I'm not as huge of a fan of the material of it. Like, I had no issues with the last one I had, but this one got the top layer coming off and a few things issue. I mean, I love the way it looks, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just use that new material for it, because it's two different materials on both sides. So we got the side that I've used before, and then this brand new one. And the brand new one is the one that has the top layer coming off. So I might just go back to the original one. Definitely let me know what you guys think, because if I did, I might do color match to the wheels, or a neo chrome. So that'll be the options. So let me know what you guys think on the banner color. I wouldn't change the New Era. I keep that one there, because that one's pretty clean. I love the way that looks. And keep that there as well. Just getting to Ryan's house. His brother car's out here. Hey, Kiwi, there she is. How's it going, Kiwi? Still gotta use the block to get the car off the ground before you jack it up. We need to get some low pro jacks. That's what we need.